If you want non-emergency medical assistance from a virtual health experts, go to howtogetridofhealthissues.com/mobile doctor. They have a team of mobile doctors is standing by around the clock so you can stop any health issue quickly and effectively. When we think about looking and feeling great, you might think that the most important thing is sunscreen, not smoking, or high-end skincare. But what if I told you the real secret lies in your gut? Doctors and scientists are learning that your microbiome is the true key to your appearance and overall health. We're talking about trillions of bacteria that colonize your gut. This ecosystem exerts major effects on everything from your weight to your energy and mood. There was a fascinating study where transplanting gut material from a skinny rat to an overweight one caused the latter to lose significant weight without other changes. Your microbiome even dictates how your body extracts energy from your food. A healthy gut means your body is efficient. An unhealthy one leaves you fatigued. And there's a direct link to your skin. Inflammatory disorders like acne and eczema are often just external symptoms of an unhappy internal gut microbiome. In this video, I'm covering 5 secrets to reprogram your gut. Secret number 1. Fermented foods. These are filled with the beneficial bacteria you're starving for. Think miso, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, and kefir. The standard American diet is almost totally devoid of these fermented powerhouses, and that's a mistake. Secret number 2. Probiotics. If you're taking a supplement, you need at least 3 billion colony-forming units and a variety of strains for real impact. It's not just about one type of bacteria. Diversity is health. You want a cocktail of microbes to rebuild your internal army and restore balance. Secret number 3. Prebiotics. These are the undigested carbohydrates that act as the actual food for your probiotics, those beneficial bacteria in your gut. The simplest tip? Eat the rainbow. This provides the fiber your bacteria need and floods your body with skin-protecting antioxidants to fight inflammation. Secret number 4. I'm not a fan of dairy or gluten. For the vast majority of the population, these can be incredibly inflammatory to the gut lining. Up to 68% of the world is lactose intolerant. Beyond that, dairy contains proteins like whey and casein that can drive systemic, hidden inflammation. Gluten is known to increase intestinal permeability, leading to leaky gut, which is linked to inflammation and skin issues like acne and eczema. Secret number 5. Reducing stress. You've seen how U.S. presidents age in just 4 years. That's what chronic, unmanaged stress does to your gut and skin. Try a simple 10-minute breathing exercise. Set your phone timer, sit in a quiet room, and focus on your breath. It's an easy way to lower stress levels. Now let's go deeper into the neurobiology of the gut. What exactly is this microbiome and where does it even come from? We often use microbiome and microbiota interchangeably. These microbes aren't just in your gut, they're in your nose, mouth, and all over your skin. The density is astounding. In your distal gut, microbes are packed so tightly that up to 50% of your fecal matter is actually living microbial cells. It's a dynamic ecosystem. There are trillions of bacteria, but they are outnumbered 10 to 1 by viruses called bacteriophages that hunt and kill them. Think of a newborn as an island rising out of the ocean. It starts as a blank slate, and then there's a massive land rush for territory. Your origin story dictates your health. Infants born by C-section have microbiomes that look more like human skin than a healthy digestive tract. Pets, breastfeeding, and your early exposure to antibiotics can send your immune system and metabolism on totally different lifelong trajectories. Here is what they don't want you to know. The healthy Western microbiome might actually be a perturbed community in a state of deterioration. Hunter-gatherers have microbiomes with diversity that blows ours away. Our modern lifestyle has caused a massive internal extinction event. In animal studies, low-fiber diets led to a progressive loss of species. By the 4th generation, up to 70% of the microbiome was simply gone. Microbiomes exist in stable states with a kind of biological gravity. It's hard to dislodge a bad community once it's taken root. Even after a round of antibiotics, your gut has a memory that snaps it back to its original state, even if that state was unhealthy. So how do we reprogram? It requires a combination of access to the right microbes and nourishing them with the proper diet. Fiber isn't just bulk. It's fermented into short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which fuel your colon and keep inflammation low. Processed foods contain emulsifiers that disrupt your mucus layer. This thin barrier is all that stands between your bacteria and your immune system. Artificial sweeteners can lead directly to metabolic syndrome. Even if they have 0 calories, they are fundamentally altering your gut's biology. The Stanford study was a game changer. They found that 6 servings of fermented foods a day dramatically reduced dozens of inflammatory markers. You don't need expensive supplements. You can make your own sauerkraut with just cabbage, water, and salt. It's incredibly cost-effective.
Sometimes there is a simple way on how to relieve or get a treatment for the problem. Naturally from an ebook, How to Get Rid of Health Issues, Quickly Without Medication. It's the step-by-step guide you can use right from your kitchen to reclaim your health naturally by someone who's been there. If you're tired of being told medication is your only option, this could change everything for you. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself while you sleep when you give it the right ingredient. That is available at local grocery store, or you can order them online. Visit howtogetridofhealthissues.com to get your step-by-step guide today.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Kombucha is another easy one. If you have a SCOBY, a symbiotic community of bacteria and yeast, you can brew your own at home for pennies. But beware the sugar trap. Manufacturers often load fermented foods with sugar to mask the sour taste. That sugar can undo all the benefits. If your microbiome is already depleted, eating more fiber might not work immediately. You might have lost the microbes that actually degrade it. We need to balance sanitation. Hand washing is vital in a subway, but in your own garden, a little dirt can actually educate your immune system. Here's a simple reset recipe. Fiber-rich greens, garlic for prebiotics, and unsweetened yogurt for probiotics. This is your foundation. Don't forget the basics. Hydration maintains your digestive system, and exercise promotes a healthy, diverse microbiome naturally. The hard truth is that many of us are living with a simmer of systemic inflammation. It's why you're tired and why your skin isn't glowing. In the future, we'll use personalized microbial cocktails to fix this. But until then, the decisions you make at every meal are your best defense. Step 1. Diversify your food. Eat as many different types of plants as possible to feed as many different types of bacteria as possible. Step 2. Hit the 6-serving mark for fermented foods. It's the strongest signal we've seen for dropping systemic inflammation. Step 3. Manage the stress. 10 minutes of breathing isn't just for your mind. It's a critical signal for your gut biology. Remember, avoid the cleanses and the juice flushes. You want to build a stable ecosystem, not wash it away and leave it to chance. Here is the detail almost everyone missed. Your gut health is a one-way street if you don't take action now before species go extinct. This is the Daily Health Habit Adjuster method. We focus on natural secrets that you won't see on your local news. If you want the full protocol and the links to the studies I mentioned, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Share this video with someone who's struggling with their energy or skin. They deserve to know the real secret to looking and feeling their best. And check out the link in the caption below to take that next step with Thrive. It's my personal invitation for you to level up your health. Always remember, eat real food, use clean skincare, and only consider invasive plastic surgery as an absolute last resort. I'm Sarah's associate, and this is the science of a better you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next investigation. Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care of it now, so it can take of you later. As Daily Health Habit Adjuster, make it simple as
Your wish is my command.